one's got some ones that are still alive.
Wait, what's alive? Heaven.
Rice and peas.
It went out. It's bringing back so many memories. Today we're living like a local Jamaican for 24 hours. Right, Aaliyah? Right? Yeah. Jamaica, Jamaica. Fried dumpling. What do we have today? Cabbage, saltfish, fried dumpling. Delicious. Out of 10.
You know what's a 10?
10 out of 10.
Hey, try mine.
Try yours, honey.
Oof, thick.
Out of 10.
Say 11.
I don't like fun fact. I hate cabbage in Canada. But this, love.
What would you rate it?
12 out of 10.
Okay.
And to think this is healthy. The way if I ate this every day, I'd be skinny. Skinnier. Guess who's getting seconds? What did you say?
I want the whole pot.
I think you deserve the whole pot.
Thank you.
I realized, I don't know if I've told you what it is, but it's saltfish, cod, and cabbage. And if you didn't know, Andrew's Ukrainian and they eat a lot of cabbage rolls. Now, the very important question is cabbage rolls better than, well, the answer is on the plate. Better than this? And which do you prefer?
I definitely prefer this.
You heard it here first. Jamaican cabbage is better than his Ukrainian cabbage roll. Dun 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 dun. The power just went out.
Where did it go?
The light bulb. She's so good at this.
Get away from me.
Here comes Chip with his plate. So where should I put it? Cheers.
I got the juice.
Got the juice. Mission accomplished. Woo-woo. Do a happy dance. Go crazy, go stupid, get wild, go, get a glow, get a glow, get a glow, get a glow. Get it, Meg.
Go, Meg.
Go, Meg. Go, Meg. Go, Meg. Go, Meg. Go, Meg. Get a glow. Get a glow. Go, Meg. Oh, go. Meg lost.
Yeah, thank you.
Get to work.
Gina to do it.
Wiping the table, sweeping. Yeah. Aaliyah doesn't like how you're doing it. No.
Looks good to me.
It looks fantastic to him. This was my grandfather's room. It's bringing back so many memories because, fun fact, I used to spend 2 months every summer, 2 months in the summer here. And it's so nice to be back. I remember when the power would go out, we'd use these. And you would light it, so cool. And like lighting these lamps used to seem so cool to me as a kid.
Is it hard to do?
I don't know, I've never done it. This is the room Aaliyah and I used to sleep in, but the bed used to be this way, and we used to fight over this fan because it would be so hot. And there was a TV here, and my favorite movie that I watched multiple times a day for 2 months was Footloose, and that's how I got my first ever celebrity crush, Miles Teller. Now we have Shipko. And whenever like the house was full, so usually my mom would send me and my sister alone, but if everybody was here, all the kids, all the cousins would sleep on these 2 beds. And we're just being hot because we're literally shoulder to shoulder because my mom has 8 siblings. So then all the kids, like, such a good time. And now this is just my cousin's bedroom. We used to cook dinners in there. In the shower, we used to use a bucket and shower. It was actually kind of fun.
There's no shower.
I think it was a water issue and we had to fill the bucket. Pictures at my family home. Period. Andrew. It says greatness, hard work.
Greatness, hard work.
Period.
No.
Sorry, you're not going to the back. Not the back. You guys can go in the back. Where are we?
Treasure Beach. Think we'll find the treasure?
I don't know. We were supposed to go somewhere else, but it was closed. So now we're at Treasure Beach. And it's so nice.
See, this is what the river does when it overflows. Carves out the sun. True.
I need to put my Crocs in sports mode. Let's put them in sports mode. I wish we could play mermaids. Do you think you would have been a good mermaid?
I'd be a great merman.
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 I would have been a great mermaid. Splish splash, I was taking a bath. Oh, the water's so blue. Do you know TikTok? Ooh, we found another seashell by the seashore. Wait, our adventurer. What is this?
Sedimentary rock.
Metamorphic rock.
No, that's coral.
It's coral.
Coral.
Whoa.
It even's got some ones that are still alive.
Wait, what's alive?
The red stuff.
What's the red stuff?
Coral.
Coral.
The gray stuff thing.
Ooh, what's that?
I have no clue what that is.
But it has like
That's probably
dots.
more coral.
More of the coral. We found your friend Kiss. This is so peaceful. I can spend my whole day here. But here are our current contenders. We have this and these two Shellys.
That's the treasure we found at Treasure Beach.
But I think there's more treasure to be found.
I think this is the treasure.
There's more treasure. And then my family is all the way over there.
This is such a hidden gem.
It's so cute and it's empty. The entire beach is empty. I can spend all day here. Oh, look how cute Chip is. Oh, hi. They're writing their names. We got Auntie Marlene. We got Aaliyah. Hey. Andrew, they did not put one for us.
Oh my god.
Fakies. She's no longer fake. Yay! Thank you! Jade! Introducing Aaliyah!
Aaliyah!
Get it close?
Whoa!
Do it again, I know.
Damn, okay.
Period. We are a family of gymnasts, as you can tell. What is this, honey? Andrew had to go extra and do cursive. We got J plus A equals love. So romantica. How does our love make you feel? Oh, go crazy, go crazy, go crazy, go crazy. He's love drunk. He is love sick. Mom, did you write help? Why you write help? We don't need.
Gonna think we need help.
And rescue. Time to find something to eat or drink. Both. I got pistachio ice cream. Have been champions, champions, rayers, nothing compared. Andrew got his ice cream. Of course, you got chocolate. Is it good? Yeah, rate it out of 10. Out of 10.
11. Wait.
Thank you. This is how you get in a taxi. Real Jamaican experience. Rotten. Oh, you messed up. Aaliyah managed to break the chair.
No tummy.
Look at the cat. How do you know what's up, man?
He hears you. He thinks that you're his friend.
Perked up his ears.
Good job. Molly into my car. Our clothes have been hung up. It's fish soup time. No, it's fish tea. Tastes exactly how you think it would taste.
Serious, let me trade this one from the bottom.
Oh, there's fish. Oh, yeah. Bon appetit. This is very good. Very good.
What would you rate it?
9 out of 10. Fish tea. Recommend. Please ignore the fan. It's so hot.
It's very loud. Where's peas?
Rice and peas.
Slaw.
Coleslaw
Some chicken.
and barbecue chicken. Take it, Aaliyah. I'm currently feeling sick, so I'm just drinking water. And no food for me yet. Tummy pain. Trying June plum juice.
It's like ginger.
Yeah, yummy.
It's nice and refreshing, and it's not too sweet.
Aaliyah, what happened?
The itis at the power.
It went out. Yes! We were so nervous. Oh, the heat was so crazy. I thought we were about to meet our caskets. Yay! I finally got my meal. I couldn't resist.
She was feeling ill earlier, but now she's a little better.
The
How's the rice?
flavors are melting on my tongue. You can really taste the coconut. And I never liked coleslaw. But since I've been here, I love coleslaw. Delicious. And this chicken just looks good.
It's really good.
It's so good. This is the best I've eaten of my entire life.
It's so good.
Yay. Yay. I'm watching an Adam Sandler movie called Just Go With It. It's actually kind of funny. Go soon.
It's not bad. Now try the strawberry juice.
This is syrup and water.
Strawberry and lime syrup.
Memories. Exactly the same. But I will say though, I used to make it so much sweeter. But this is really good. Cleared. Doom. All done. Wagwan. Patties. Oh my god, I missed you. I realized I didn't do stutter. I realized I didn't do an outro. But baddies, if you made it this far, drop the Jamaican flag in the comments down below. I hope you enjoyed part 1 of the Jamaica series, because when I tell you we got footage on footage, like your girl gets an eye infection, she loses her voice, my dad, real Jamaican, like bomba club, like Jamaican, takes me out to local places. We go to the grocery store. You know I love a grocery store. What else we do? We went on a museum, and you know, I don't like history, but we make history fun. We tried the best seafood in Jamaica. Thinking about it. Anyways, we do so much, so I hope you enjoyed this part 1, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and drop that emoji in the comments and let me know, like, if you've been to Jamaica, if you ever want to be to Jamaica, if you are Jamaican, or you know anybody that makes you Jamaican me crazy, all of the above. Love you buddies, down, and I'll be seeing you guys very soon. And I missed the tan I have.